Hi, this is Agam from Generation Connection, and today we're going to be talking about how you can join a Zoom video call on your Android device. And to give you a little bit of background, Zoom video is just one way to video call somebody or video call with multiple people in a meeting. So the really nice thing about Zoom is that you don't need an account to join a meeting, which is what we're going to be doing here today. First, we're going to learn how to download the Zoom Video Meetings app, and then we're going to join a Zoom video meeting. And of course, please pause if you feel like you're getting lost, and feel free to email us at contact@genconnection.org. Again, that's contact@genconnection.org, as you can see on this slide. And we'll obviously be very happy to answer any questions that you have. Alright, so let's get into downloading the Zoom app. So first, click on the Google Play Store, which looks like a triangle. You can see the icon for the Google Play Store on the right side of your screen now. After you open the app, you should see a screen that has a list of apps on it and a search bar at the top. Click on the search bar and a keyboard will appear. Type in Zoom Cloud Meetings in that top search bar, and then hit the search button, which looks like a little magnifying glass on your keyboard. You should see the Zoom Cloud Meetings app. Click Install to install the app. Once it is done installing, it will appear on your home screen or in the app drawer. Alright, so now that we have Zoom installed through the Google Play Store, we can now start using it and join a meeting. The Zoom video app looks like a white video camera on a blue background. So the first step is opening the app by clicking on it. Next, you will see the main page of the Zoom app. The main page is a white screen, and it has the words join a meeting on the bottom. So that's what you're going to want to use. So click that join a meeting button. You will not need to sign up or sign in to Zoom to join a meeting. So just click that button. This is what you will see right after clicking join a meeting. Enter in a meeting ID or a personal ID. This is a number that the host should have given you unless you were invited via a link. And so we'll talk about what to do if you were invited via link in the next step. If you are given a link to the meeting, you can just click on that link and the Zoom app will automatically open and enter you into the meeting. So again, if you were given a link to the meeting, just click on that link, and now that you have the Zoom app installed, you can just join the meeting using that link. Alright, so then the next step is entering your name. There will be a default name, but you can also enter your own name if you would like. Alright, so you should also see these two options on the bottom under Join Options. You can tap these sliders and choose whether you don't want to connect to audio or whether you don't want to connect to video. If you don't want to connect to audio, then select that switch. If you don't want to connect to video, select that switch. And remember, choosing Don't Allow for your microphone and camera will still allow you to hear and see the other person if their microphone and camera is on. Alright, so now you're ready to join the meeting by clicking the Join Meeting button, which should now be activated. So after you've clicked that button, you may be prompted to enter a meeting password. The host of the meeting should have provided this for you, so please consult with them. After you've typed in the meeting password and hit the OK button, you can now join the video, but first you'll have to go through this video preview. You can select either join with video if you want to join with a video feed of your camera showing, or join without video if you don't want to join with that video feed showing. Okay, so now you should be in the meeting. This is the screen that you will see after you've successfully joined the meeting. There are a few options on the bottom. The first one is the Join Audio button on the bottom left, which you have to click to allow you to hear and speak in the conversation. So even if you selected Allow Audio in the first step, you'll still have to do this here. So click the Join Audio button, and then click the Call via Device Audio button. This will allow you to hear and speak in the conversation. Again, you must do this even if you have selected Allow Audio in a previous step. And then you also have the option of clicking the Start Video button in the bottom middle to start sharing a video feed of yourself. You must do this to show your face. And then another option that you have is to click on the camera with the arrows inside it in the top left-hand side of your screen. That will allow you to switch between the two sides of your camera. So it will either be facing you or it will be facing the back behind your phone. So this will just allow you to switch between those two modes. And as a general tip, this is a symbol that's commonly used to show switching between cameras on Android phones. And then lastly, when you're ready to leave the meeting, click the Leave button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Congratulations, you have entered and finished your first Zoom video call. If you have any questions, click the Get Help tab on our website, genconnection.org, under the Learn section to ask them, or email contact@genconnection.org. So again, if you have any questions, email contact@genconnection.org or go to that Get Help tab on our website. Thank you so much.